A bricklayer taught me how to drip bleach on an old pan, and I stopped wasting money. In today's tip, we're going to prepare a mixture with bleach to clean old pans, and for this tip, we're going to take a container to heat up the water. Can it be a kettle or an electric kettle? Here too, we're going to boil a liter of personal water and add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the water. If you're a housewife like me, it's like magic. It really removes the scorch from the pan. I really loved it. I tested it and saw that it worked, and I'm here to share it with you. We mix it well to dissolve all the sugar. Can you imagine making a mixture with bleach to clean a pan? When I found out, I was shocked. Dude, now that it's dissolved, we're going to need bleach. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of bleach. It can be any brand, okay? I measured by the cap of the bleach. We put it in with the water. Now I'm going to show you how this mixture works. It's used to clean your pan. If your pan is burnt, this powerful mixture will solve your problem here. But let's use a glove so you can't touch the bleach directly with your hand, because we know it can be harmful. I recommend that you do this with the windows open, and we're also going to use a steel sponge. You can use any brand of nail polish remover, okay? Guys, here I'm going to add a little detergent to the pan. I'm going to dip the wipe in my little mixture that I've just made, and I'm going to wipe it on my pan. It's very useful, it's very simple and easy, and you can save this little mixture to clean your other pans here. I put it in a container because I'm going to use it on my other pans. It's very useful in my day-to-day life, and best of all, you can use it in any pan, from the easiest to the most difficult. So I've brought you this tip to help you in your day-to-day life, and if you don't want to scrub, you can leave it to soak for a while, and it will help a lot to loosen all the burns that remain in the pan over time. Look at the result. The result is incredible, and that was our tip for today. Thank you for making it this far. Is that a sign that you liked our tip? On our Granny's Recipes page, we're full of recipes and tips like this one that I highly recommend you make at home, and of course, don't forget to tell us how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless you and all your family. Bye-bye.